How to add a check mark in Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, the check mark or tick mark is not readily available on the menu. You may want to add a tick mark to the Google Sheets. Say, for example, if you're responding to a questionnaire. Like in this example, I have a questionnaire and I want to add a tick mark to one of these cells. So there are two ways of doing this. One is to use the char function, char, and the second is to copy and paste the image of a tick mark. So let's look at the first option, which is the using the char function. So I place the cursor or I select the cell where I want the tick mark to appear, type equals and type in char and then type in a number. Now let's look at this char function. The char function takes a Unicode number as an argument and returns the symbol or the character associated with that number. The Unicode standard is a universal standard that has a unique numeric code for each character, whether it is text or number or symbols. So to find out what Unicode number corresponds to the character that you want, there are a number of online references available. Here for a tick mark, the number is 10003. So having typed this in, I press enter and I get the tick mark here. So this is one option. The second option, I will delete this, is to copy and paste the image. So for that, I will go to Google Docs and insert the symbol that I want. For this, under Insert, go to Special Characters. This opens the Special Characters box. I'm looking for a check mark, so I will type the word check here and I get a number of options displayed. I'm going to select this. And as you can see, the check mark is inserted in the document. So now I can close this. I then select this image and press Ctrl C to copy it, or I can right click and select copy from the menu. Then I go back to Google Sheets and select the cell where I want it to appear and press Ctrl V or right click and say paste. So I now have the check mark in this cell. The only drawback to this option is that when you're resizing and moving cells, sometimes the images can go a little haywire. So in such cases, it may be better to use the char function. This is how to add a check mark in Google Sheets. Please read the appended article for more information.